Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I am Vera. In this video, I want to show you how to power off on your Oppo A60. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. First, I want to turn off this phone with classical way is to push long on the power button like this. But you can see this method doesn't work. And the right way to turn off this phone is to push and hold volume up button and power button together like this. Once again, push and hold volume up button and power button together like this. And you will see that the power off menu appears. And here you can power off your phone very easy. Like this. Yep, successfully. And if you want to power on, you can push it long on the power button like this. And your phone has been turned on. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.